Welcome to today's session on effect of fake news on public life. Recently, Sunil Arora was appointed as the new Chief Election Commissioner by President Ramnath Kovind. He succeeded O.P. Rawat. The outgoing Chief Election Commissioner has said that the fake news affects voting behavior in a big way. Now, what is fake news? Lot of things we read online, especially in our social media feeds, may appear to be true, but often is not. Fake news is news, stories or hoaxes created to deliberately misinform or deceive readers. Usually, these stories are created to either influence people's views, push a political agenda or cause confusion, and can often be a profitable business for online publishers. Let us look at instances where fake news made a big impact. The US presidential elections, swaying or polarizing public opinion is believed to have taken place during this election. The study from researchers at Ohio State University finds that fake news probably played a significant role in depressing Hillary Clinton's support on the election day. Communal strife. There have been incidents of inciting communal polarization and ethnic violence. Recently, a mob lynched 6 people in Singhbhum district of Jharkhand state, believing them to be child abductors, following a rumor on WhatsApp. In another incident, a police inspector and a youth were killed when a mob of around 400 persons clashed with the police following the alleged discovery of cow carcasses in a village in Bulandshahr district of western UP. Financial impact. Fake news has also been used to dupe gullible people financially. The reach of news has given chit fund schemes an altogether new arena and has introduced the concept of online fraud through spam mails. This problem of wrong propaganda has not even left big companies. Rumors of presence of lead in Maggi and that of plastic in Kurkure has led to huge losses to respective companies. Animosity between countries. A website claimed that the former Israeli defense minister had made nuclear threats against Pakistan. Pakistan's defense minister apparently thought that the fake news report was real and reminded Israel that Pakistan is a nuclear state too. Radicalization. Incidents of radicalization and mass mobilization of people have been reported in Kashmir after the whole pellet gun episode which took place in the state. Sometimes the consequences of such acts can be as serious as youth turning towards terrorism. It has been noticed that time and again our hostile neighbors have been trying to take advantage of such situations for their geopolitical aspirations. Panic and anxiety among people. In January 2016, all of Kashmir was on streets after a false rumor on a Facebook news page claimed that children were dying after being administered polio vaccine gained currency in public imagination. It prompted panic-stricken people to pull their kids out of hospitals. In an hour, the valley's sole pediatric hospital in Srinagar swelled with panic-stricken parents. When informed that it was a false rumor, no one believed them. This is not just an isolated incident. Many more incidents of such nature were reported ever since. These are some incidents which were reported and came out in the open. But there are many more messages, videos, forwards, etc. doing the rounds which propagate hate. They hamper the spirit of common brotherhood and raise intolerance. The mass exodus of northeastern people from Bangalore on false online threats is another such instance. Over the time, it shapes the thinking of the society at large. Portrayal of India as an unsafe destination for women by international media has created a false image of a nation. Now, coming to the legislation dealing with fake news in India, right now the only mechanism we have is Section 126 and we have the easy instructions on paid news. We have to bring in a robust mechanism for conduct on social media platforms. So let's look at what the other countries are doing to curb this problem. Many countries like Germany, France, Singapore, Indonesia, Czech Republic have come out with their own mechanisms to handle the spread of fake news. The following are few measures that can be taken up to solve the problem of fake news. Have a look at them. Finally, fakery can harm both democracy and the media business. Eternal vigilance against it, indeed, is the price of liberty. With this, we have come to the end of today's session. Here, we have mentioned a few model questions. Please try and attempt writing an answer for each of them. Thank you.